You suck at speaking Spanish and comprehending it because you skipped the alphabet. Or when you did learn the alphabet, you forgot to retain it. That's your problem. But don't worry, I did the same thing, so I got you. Hola, buenos, me llamo daljiimarax. Bienvenidos if you're new here. On this channel, we learn in Spanish together. Yeah, I ain't fluent in this language either. We learn it together. Yeah, let's do that. So you know how like when we're children and we're learning the alphabet and then we associate each letter with like a noun. So A for apple, B for bus, C for car. That's cute. And you can adopt that same strategy when you were learning your second language as an adult. But you want to do it with words that are going to be at the top of your learning list. Por ejemplo, you don't need to know that apple is manzana in Spanish right away unless you are learning Spanish because you work at a Spanish restaurant, right? And y'all serve breakfast and you need to know the different fruits and the different foods that you'll be serving your customers. That would be important because at that point you're learning Spanish for your work. So if you need to know, if you work with food, that makes sense why food vocabulary would be at the top of your list. But if it's not, don't focus so much on learning words to associate with the letter to learn the alphabet if you're not even going to use the word. Because you're going to forget what that word even means. You're never going to use it. So you just wasted your time learning vocabulary that's not important right now. So what I did, I was like, okay, I'm stuck at pronouncing Spanish and I suck at comprehending it when other people speak it because I'm not understanding how these letters are pronounced and I didn't take the time to retain that. So I'm kind of just freestyling when I'm talking on the sounds and freestyling when I'm listening. But don't worry, I created an example of how I was able to retain the alphabet in Spanish and I got you using words that we can use. Okay? Vamos a comenzar. Spanish alphabet or alfabeto español, there are 27 letters, okay? A, abrir. A, abrir. B, baño. B, baño. C, coche. D, de nada. D, de nada. F, frío. F, frío. G, gerente. G, gerente. H, hora. H, hora. I, ir. I, ir. J, julio. J, julio. K, kilómetro. K, kilómetro. L, loción. L, loción. M, mapa. M, mapa. N, nunca. N, nunca. Ñ, this is separate from N. Ñ, Ñ, mañana. Ñ, mañana. O, otro. O, otro. P, pagar. P, pagar. Q, ¿qué? Q, ¿qué? R. I still have issues with this because of my accent. R, recibio. R, recibio. Televisión. T, televisión. U, urgente. U, urgente. V, perdura. V, perdura. W, W, nada. X, X, sochemico. X, sochemico. I, Z, zapatos. Z, zapatos. There are two honorary mentions that are no longer considered Spanish letters, and that's the double L, pronounced ella. You can use it in llegar. Ella, llegar. You have the double R, which I have trouble pronouncing. R, R. You can pronounce it like caro, caro. Even though there isn't a double R in that, it's pronounced that way. Caro. R. So if you still suck with Spanish after this, just keep practicing. Duh.